So in this video, pretty much in this clip, my bad, um, the audio from the new mic decided it didn't want to record, so I apologize. This is why I have to do the voiceover. But pretty much in this, we're explaining that we were at Wallowa Lake, and I had actually Monday night got rid of the Neon and had sold it because I was pretty much done with the car, ran out of projects for it, so I decided to sell it for another car that I've been looking into, so uh, that's pretty much what we were trying to explain. And I had actually bought the car the day of this clip, and I was excited to show you guys, but I thought I'd wait to show you guys. So, and there's a huge, long story, backstory on this car, and it's just amazing. It's a one owner car, and I'm currently the second owner now, so it's been maintenance kept ever since the first owner got it, and it was bought in Japan and then ferried over here on a ferry boat. Then she took possession of it, so she bought it, and then it was delivered to the United States. So I did my history and my research about it, and it's all legit. I have legit paperwork to show that where it came from. So, but that's what I was trying to explain in this clip, but it really didn't get anywhere. And when I went to review this clip, there's no audio. So yeah, and right there she was explaining that we should keep it a secret, and you guys would have to wait until the next video in order to find out. So today I currently went and waxed the vehicle. This clip was yesterday, so yeah. I really don't know what else to say. I can't remember what we were talking about in this clip, so I'm trying to remember. But right there, she said no cheating, so don't go try to look it up. But I think you guys will like this car. It's 100% OEM, and it's gonna stay that way. So I super apologize about the audio, but this is what I have to work with until I can adjust my new mic so it doesn't do this. But I can try to remember what we were talking about in this. Let's see here. I kind of was trying to say we were going to give a hint of what it could be. So, and later on this clip you'll see that I showed the rim. And one hint I can give away is the word GSR blades. And some of you who know what I'm talking about will know exactly what kind of car this is. So, but I'd really like to say what it is, but I just can't, and I will reveal it in the next clip. But we were just took possession of it, and then drove to Wallowa Lake. So, and this is where I turned the camera, I think. And I kind of give a hint. So, and it was hard to keep the car out of the picture. So, yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and, like I said, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, Blue Dude out.